Hey guys, this is Nafil. So in this video I'm going to show you everything about the MailChimp. Okay, so I'm going to review it and I'm going to walk you through all the features in MailChimp. Okay, about the MailChimp is excellent template. Okay, so MailChimp has excellent template support and that is very easy to use. Then AI powered recommendations, advanced reporting, all-in-one marketing hub. All those things are pros of the MailChimp, and the cons of the MailChimp is low-level automation, difficulties managing a list, doesn't support affiliate marketing, and so on. So let's sign up for the MailChimp account. So it's pretty easy. You will put your email address, username and a password. So it's telling me to open my email account. I'm going to activate the account. You will find the sign up link in the description below. So there are a few more steps that I need to complete. So first of all, I'm selecting the free one as they have free plan available, and in the free plan we have 2000 contact maximum. Okay, and we can send up to 10,000 email. Business name. It's not the original website, it's a dummy website. So it's asking that I have already a contact or not, so I'm going to select no. And do you sell product or services online? Neither. Let's say product, our own website, e-commerce. Okay, fine, continue. So we are already inside the MailChimp. Okay, so there are some integration that MailChimp is powering up to do that. Like we can actually integrate our MailChimp with QuickBooks, Shopify, Square, Google, Twitter, Facebook, Squarespace, Zapier, WooCommerce, and so on. Okay, so we are not going to use all those things right now as because we don't need it. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, so this is our dashboard, and from the dashboard on the left hand side you can see the first one is audience. Okay, the audience is your mail list. Okay, so what you can do is inside the audience you can click all audience and you will have your all the subscriber list. Okay, so if I go to audience dashboard, I can click add your contact, and then I can import any contact file that you already have. Okay, I'm going to exit it. Then you have sign up form. So with the sign up form, what you can do is you can actually create a pop-up or a sign up box that you can integrate in your website. Okay, so here is the formula. If you click on select, so the builder will be here. It's loading. Okay, so here the form. So we don't think we need that. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually remove this address. You can remove the phone number. You can remove this one. Okay, so we just need the email address and first name and last name, and they will hit the subscribe button. Okay, so here is the design option. You can add a title here as well. Okay, so I have added a heading that you can actually center it and make it bold, font size 24. That looks fine. Okay, so now it's middle. So that's our sign up form, and here is the URL that you can actually share with your customer or your audience. So if I just visit this URL, copy it, you can see the subscription form is showing. So if you input your email address, name and last name and hit on subscribe, then the email list will be added inside your audience. So inside the all contacts, as you can see, there is one contacts already, that's mine, and whenever someone will subscribe, the audience list will be grown up. Okay, and you can't actually create more audience as because we are in free mode. So whenever you will have the paid activation mode, then you can create more list. So currently it's the default one, then a fuel. Then we can actually add different tags for different consumer or audience. Then we have segmentations. So with the segmentation, we can target our subscriber by location, engagement and activity and more. That's basically whenever you will start the marketing and you will have the consumer data based on their behavior, you can create the segmentation. Then if you go to campaign, then it's going to all campaign list. As you can see, we don't have any campaign right now as because it's a new account. So you can create campaign from right hand corner here, and whenever you are going to create campaign, then you can select a template that MailChimp already created for you. Okay, so let's design an email. So you can add a recipient, then you can add a form, you can add subject, and then you can design the email. So there are two types of builder for MailChimp. Let's select the new builder. Okay, so here is a template that you can edit. So for editing the template, you can click on that, and from the right hand side you can delete it, or you can actually add or change the content. So from the left hand side, you can see you can set a logo that we can upload. Then you can change this text by clicking. Then there is a photo that you can upload. There is a button, you can link the button as well. So there is a link option. Then the footer, add your logo option. So that's pretty much it. Then you will have a preview, then you can click on continue, then you will save it and create your campaign. Okay, so I'm not going to create the campaign. So inside the campaign, there is one more option, is email templates. Okay, so you don't have any save email templates. So whenever you are creating multiple campaign, then you can actually save the template that you are designing. Okay, or you can purchase the template that will shown here. or you can browse from the marketplace. Then we have report. Nothing to report yet, as because we haven't sent any email yet. So based on the email performance, opening rate or replying rate or whatever the engagement with the customer or the email audience, then the report will be shown here. Okay. Then we have automation. So with the automation, we have some bare-bone templates here that we can use, and so that's basically used for e-commerce purposes. And whenever you have some campaign running or you have some complete campaign, then you can actually use those things. Then we have transactional email, reason box, when it matter most. So transactional email is ideal developer tools to deliver first personalized messages that are customized to your content needs. New transactional user start by sending up to 500 free emails to their verified domain. Okay. So you can try it free. Then we have retargeting ad. So we can create Google and Facebook ads by using MailChimp. Then we have postcard. Then we have website creation option. So we can actually build a website within MailChimp and connect our domain, and that we can view by our customer. Then we have the store option. We can create stores. We can create an appointment system within MailChimp. Then here is the domain. There we can connect our domain that we can use by sending email or receiving email address. In settings, report. This report is actually the website we are building. Whenever the visitor will visit our website, the engagement of the website, that will shown here. Then we have content studio, that is the creative assistant, my files, products. Those actually our assets that we will upload day by day whenever we will start using the email system. Then we have integration. So inside the integration, so whenever you are using Shopify or you are using Canva, you can use QuickBooks, you can actually integrate all this platform with MailChimp. And by integrating those platforms, you can actually get data from those platforms to MailChimp, your consumer data or your design file or whatever. So those kind of data you can actually gather inside the MailChimp. So you can play with it, how these things is working, nothing to worry about it. And there is a search and the profile. Okay, so that's actually all for the MailChimp. So if you have any other question regarding the MailChimp, then you can let me know in the comment below, so I'll try to answer your all questions there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you in the next one.